What's up yo guys, it's your girl Mika back at it again with another video. And for today's video, I'm gonna discuss to you the importance of ozone layer. Well, if you really want to hear about it, you'll definitely have to buckle your seatbelts up because, ladies and gentlemen, I've never been more certain my entire life, except for the fact that this will end up as a roller coaster of ideas and random thoughts from my 3 a.m. procrastinatorily made coffee induced vlogging extravaganza. First of all, ano ba muna ang ozone? Basically, nasa said quote-unquote, ozone is a relatively unstable molecule made up of 3 atoms of oxygen. Although it represents only a tiny fraction of the atmosphere, ozone is crucial for life on Earth. We've been discussing about this same exact matter since elementary up till our high school days na kapag nabutas ang ozone layer, we're screwed. This, this happens. What are this? Climate change. Now let's go down to the bottom of all this chaos. Us, humans, no need to sugarcoat it and it's quite obvious. Tayo ang may pakana ng lahat ng ito. Why? Let me ask you, do you know what your carbon footprint is? If you don't know, there ain't no need to worry, pal. I gotcha. Also, you're not the only one because apparently 62% of my followers on Instagram aren't aware of their carbon footprint as well. And I had asked few people about this and their answers. Hello po, do you know what your carbon footprint is?
No.
No.
No. No.
No.
This goes to show that most of us aren't aware of our carbon footprint and what exactly it is. To simplify this, it goes this way. We produce carbon that adds up to the greenhouse effect of our planet, which is the primary reason behind ozone layer depletion. When the ozone layer depletes, the oh so harmful ultraviolet waves enters freely into the surface of the earth, which causes climate change. Remember Bagyong Tisoy, we were the only country to get hit and it's not even rainy seasons anymore. Usually, diba, rainy seasons is from June until August or September, but now I observed that the summer lasts until June to July na. Recently rin, hindi nyo ba napapansin, painit na ng painit yearly, like as time goes by, tumitindi yung init. It's been hotter than ever. Literally, the temperature and the climate in general has been going haywire. Climate change isn't only about the weather. Tungkol din ito sa agricultural sectors. Like, pwede silang maapektuhan ng droughts or water crisis. So, from the day we were born, we already have carbon footprint and it's a challenge to reduce this every day just by limiting what you do in your life. You'll see the difference when you try alternative things to help reduce your carbon footprint. Try ka lang ng different methods, ganon, and hopefully it would help. Also, let's advocate for reforestation. Remember Sierra Madre, diba it blocked the supposedly strong effects ng typhoon na tatama sa atin, but it kinda reduced the chance of hitting it harder. Like, this is the typhoon and then this is Sierra Madre. Tapos it was supposed to hit harder but then Sierra Madre blocked it. Yeah, you get the idea. Talking about ozone and climate change in general can be very technical. Boring siya sa ibang tao kasi naman 'di ba, poproblemahin mo pa yung ibang bagay when you have personal struggles din naman. But actually, there is a way para masync ang lifestyle natin sa environment. Uunahan ko na kayo. This is not a paid promotion. Although I wish it is. Gcash Bikini Man. Anyway, so ayun na nga. Gcash has a feature called Gcash Forest. where you have the power to plant and grow real trees through the app. Let me show you what it's like. How it works, basically, when you use the app and switch to greener activities, technically you reduce waste and carbon consumption that harm the environment. For example, if you use the app for online transactions, sending money, paying bills, you're basically going cashless. You're not using physical money. And then the app can also track your steps, so because of that, you will be awarded with green energy or points. After you do all the green activities, you can earn green energy. And if you earn enough points or energy, you can choose a native tree to plant. Ayun lang. To summarize, by destroying the ozone layer through carbon, we give more chances to the ultraviolet waves to harm life on Earth. Because the lower the ozone levels, the higher the solar ultraviolet radiation. The thinner the ozone layer becomes, the stronger we will feel the effects of global warming and climate change. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. And again, I am Mika Estrada from St. Anselm of Canterbury, the land of berries. Please stop barking. I need to finish my vlog. First of all, ano ba muna ang ozone? Basically, NASA said, quote-unquote, thank you very much for barking. First of all, ano ba muna ang ozone? Basically, NASA said, quote-unquote, ozone is a relatively unstable molecule made up of three... This is like music to my ears.
Ako? No. Go, go, dito, dito.